welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making a crock pot inspired meal. So I am headed off to church in about an hour, and I just want to go ahead and make a meal in advance time. I don't know what I'm going to do tonight, but I have some chicken thighs here that I had in the freezer, of course, and I'm going to throw them in my crock pot and I'm going to season it. Garlic and parsley, adobo, black pepper, paprika, Himalayan salt, minced garlic, and then I have a Goya seasoned packet. Okay, my creators, let's get it. Tonight, I don't know what I'm going to create, but when I come back, it's going to be amazing. So, also, I wanted to tell you this chicken is frozen, so keep in mind, this is just something that is quick and thought of, like on my toes, literally. I'm going to put this chicken in and figure out later, when I come home, when it's done, what I'm going to do with it. So dinner's cooked when I come home. All right, my creators. I'm going to go ahead and set it here at, let's see, I'm going to do, let's see, it's 10 o'clock right now. So if I do low for, or maybe I'll do high. I'll do high for 6 hours, and that way at 4 o'clock my chicken will be nice and ready to be shredded into something goodness. Okay, you guys, so I believe it is on, and set it and forget it. About 6 hours later, this is what I got. I did tons and tons of laundry today, so this was perfect for me to just come home, spend 15 minutes just to put this together. So I just broke the chicken up with my hands, didn't do anything special. Then I have some Sargento cheese, sour cream, some flour tortillas, some corn, and chunky guacamole, and some fresh salsa. So what I plan to do is to make Mexican quesadillas, you guys. Something quick, easy, fun. The kids are gonna love it. So let's get it. I have some taco because it's so salty. And then I have my corn, you guys. I'm only going to use just half a jar of the corn. Give that a quick mix. Okay. Quick mix. This is so easy and so quick, you guys, and I promise you your kids are gonna love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these tortillas on the stove. So my pan is heated. I'm gonna go ahead and put down my tortilla, and then I'm gonna put down some cheese. Put as much cheese down as you want to. Okay, again, very easy, very quick, nothing to really like freak out over. I'm telling you guys, this is like awesome for during the middle of the week. Okay, so just want to go ahead and close it. Okay, and we're gonna let it grill on both sides. I say for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on how melted you want your cheese. But this is it. This is literally it. So after I grill it on my pan, you guys don't have to have this pan, of course, but after you grill it, you want to go ahead and put all your toppings on, and of course you guys are going to be with me for that. I want to say thank you to all of my creators, my new creators, my returning creators. Thank you for the positivity. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. We are officially at 300 subscribers, and I want to say thank you so much for all of the love, and to all of my channels that's trying to grow. Continue to believe in yourself and know that you can do it, and slow and steady wins the race, y'all. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, so I'm gonna let this grill for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not gonna talk your ear off today. This is probably gonna be one of my quickest videos that I have up, because it's really a quick meal. So stay tuned for the toppings and to put it together. All right, y'all, check in with you in a little bit. I went ahead and flipped it over. You see right there, I struggled just a little bit, only because you need to spray your pan a little bit more than I sprayed mine. So don't make that mistake, my creators. So all of them are done. And you can also put some rice on the side if you would like to. It's all up to you. Okay? So they came out pretty good. What I am going to do is show you guys how I'm going to plate this up. Okay, so got that plate there. Got a house full of kids right now. Okay, so we're just gonna put them on the plate just like this. Okay, and you guys, if you have rice or something, go ahead and put the rice on the side. I'm not going to do a long video like that today because you guys, I had like so much laundry to do. I'm so proud of myself that I got it done, but man, oh man, it was a lot. Okay, so I'll show y'all what the inside look like right there. Nice, 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 nice. So just have them coming in together. Okay, have them coming in together. How rude of me. How are my creators doing today? I hope y'all doing good. I didn't even ask in the beginning of my video. I'm so sorry. So rude of me. Okay. So, there we go. I got them coming in this way and coming in that way. And you know what? Because this one is a little bit more toasted than the other, that's fine. No, you know what? I'm going to change it up. Let me change it up. There we go. Everything you do, like I tell y'all, do it with, I know somebody finished it for me. Excellence. Excellence. Okay? So, I have my sour cream. And I have my guacamole. Chunky guacamole. And then I have my salsa. Okay. Very easy, you guys. Very easy. So I'm just going to, I was looking for my, here it is. So I'm just going to take a scoop. You don't have to have a scoop, but y'all know how I do with my presentation. So just put a scoop of guacamole right there. Rinse it all. Then I'm going to put a scoop of my salsa. Normally I would make all of this stuff from scratch, but I do not have the time to do it today. So here we are, something quick, easy, and fun, something that your kids are going to absolutely love. Okay, so that is that. And then of course, you know, I gotta finish stuff off with a little bit of my parsley. That was Daniel has company today, so he's like super excited, you guys. Okay. Look at that, you guys. It's like delicious appetizer that was done in like seconds that you can make into a dinner. You guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that my name is Tish and I get it in the kitchen, baby. Until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself.